need to find an event or reminder fast. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a super handy shortcut built right into the Edge panel. Let me show you how to set your calendar event quickly without opening the full calendar app every time. First, you have to make sure that the task panel is on and Search Calendar shortcut is added to this panel. To do so, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel, and then tap gear icon to customize the panel. Here, make sure that the task panel is on. Tap Edit at the bottom of the task panel. Under Calendar section, tap Search Calendar to add the shortcut to the task panel. Close the setting. To see how to use the shortcut, open the Edge panel again. Find the task panel. And then tap Search Calendar. As you can see, now you are taken straight to the search page in the calendar app. Just type in a keyword like meeting or birthday. And your phone will show all matching events. So, given to the function, the shortcut saves time and gets you straight to what you need. Perfect when you are in a rush or juggling a busy day. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.